Okay, so we have to focus on the space in our mouth and we have to try to keep it consistent, yeah? Don't try to close it up. Don't try to make it.
Doesn't mean too much よ。
Yeah.
じゃあ今ちょっと話したんだけれども、その唇の使い方と口の中のそのスペースの使い方、今からやるけれども、そのあまりね誇張しないで、例えばうーってやっているけどうーってやったりとかっていうのがあるから、誇張しないっていうところもフォーカスしてちょっと始めていこうかなって。
Try to say ah.
ジャパニーズでしょ。
Try to say ah.
って言ってみて、せーの。
Okay, ah, ne, like UH instead of AH. You see how it's different? It's It's more a little closed, yeah? Like, instead of it's we have to try and pronounce it
せーの。
Okay, so we're gonna do like this. Listen to me first. We're gonna do. Now what that is we're gonna feel our tongue rise to the top of our mouth when we're saying those three vowels. Okay, listen one more time. Okay, now say no. Now our lips didn't move at all, but it's a space inside of our mouth.
唇は全く動いてないでしょ、今のあえいで。その中で口の中だけが動いてたよね。
So did you feel your tongue rise to the top of your mouth? You're supposed to go like right to the top of your roof of your mouth.
この今の手のあれは自分のベロの位置ね。あの時には下にあって、そのまま上がっていくよねっていう、口の中で。
せーの。Okay, now that doesn't mean that we're gonna let our lips be lazy. Okay.
唇がだらしなくならないように、しっかりと。
Yeah, our lips have to be in like a flat sort of open. It's really small, but it's not gonna move, and it's not like not like that. Okay.
俺が見てると、こっから口角にピッて寄る感じのニッてするだけあるのいいってんじゃん。ここの力を使ってる感じだと思う。
Okay. Our mouth is a very important part of communication, and we have to make it seem that way. It has to be not lazy. Okay, now we're gonna go past E and we're gonna go O U. Okay, so
でその後の今おう行くから、
listen to the sound of how maybe the inside of my mouth might,
口の中がどうやって動いてるかイメージしながらケアを見て、
and watch my jaw.
であと顎を見て。
Okay. Okay. One more time.
Can you fully then they can see you.
Okay. Ready. Everybody seen? 大丈夫？
顎も見える。
So the oo is coming, you're rising, the tongue is rising again, yeah? Ooh. But the o is like open, the mouth feels like it's an o.
O は口の中の空間を大きく使って O の形にする。で、うになってくるとまたベロが上がってくる。
And again, the lips are very controlled, okay? We'll try that again, okay? We'll try it.
唇もちゃんとコントロールしてやってみようね。
せーの。That was very good. Let's try it. You guys turn now. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. That is a good start. Okay, so we have to remember that these will come with consonants. ね。
これから曲をやろうかな、曲をやりながら発音をやっていこうかなって。ケアオが一番日本でよく聞いて気になる曲が一個あって。
Your lips are going to be moving for saying all these consonants, but the inside of your mouth has to stay with the vowel. Yeah.
これから読んでいく言葉 まずは読んでいくんだけれども、その時にこの唇、さっきやったフォーカスしながら中の空間をうまく使って、ベロの空間をうまく使って発音を全部の言葉でしていくからね。